For the last few days, we have been seen in the social media and in the YouTube channels that a scary bird showing
Entiendo. ¿Qué es eso? Nunca había visto eso. Se está subiendo. Suave, 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 que no se le pierda de vista. Nunca había visto eso. ¿Qué es esto? Pero, qué raro.
Social media. And people watching this video have forced to think about the strange things they are seeing in the world. So before you accept this video, let me inform you that this video is a fake video. And this strange bird is not a reality or not a true one. It has been created or animated in a different company called JJPD Productions. And I have opened the YouTube website where the making of the video of this strange bird appearing on the Italian church. And here you can see that the animator is creating the animations, and also he's creating a video based in showing that a bird is moving over the church dome-like structure on the church, and finally it is flying away from the cross of the church, which appeared on the top. And this has created a confusion among the users even in social media, and many people are sharing the video with the hashtag demon bird in Italy. And also there has been various comments based on these videos, and we can see many people has commented asking whether this is a true one or not. In the middle of the rapid spread of coronavirus in Italy, this video of this strange bird or demon has been shared on Twitter and Facebook. And this is how the animation team is creating the video, which is very famous on Twitter and Facebook and YouTube. And this 45-second clip is being shared on the social media. That is, the weird bird is climbing atop on the church of Italy. And this, again, I want to say strongly that this is not a demon in Italy, and this is a digital creation. That is, someone did animation on the particular video. And I would like to hear it. I would like to remove the confusions among the users on the social media, and also please stop sharing this video with by mentioning that whether it is a demon bird in Italy or Antichrist or anything like that.